How do people every day carry? How do I EDC? It's easy. Fact is, you're probably already doing it and you just don't know about it. What's up guys, Miguelomesina here and welcome to Mike EDC. On this channel, you'll get unboxing videos, straight to the point reviews on gear and items that I use in hopes to encourage you with carrying daily. The question you may be asking yourself is how to everyday carry. After watching thousands of videos and really hyper focusing on this world of EDC, I'm here to share with you that you're probably already doing it. Think about it, your phone, your keys, your wallet, heck, even chapstick. These are all daily carry essentials that you carry with you everywhere you go and have on you every single day. If you're looking to get into EDC, you may find that it can easily get overwhelming. There's so many different variations and customizable options on how to carry daily items, but that's what's so unique and fascinating about it. I've come to peace with knowing that when it comes to EDC, you just have to have it make sense to you and you have to carry consistently. After months and trial of figuring things out, I've narrowed it down to 6 must-have carry items that I have on me every single day. And in addition to that, I'm gonna show you exactly how I carry them on my person. But before that, 2 things. Number 1, consider subscribing to the channel. Doing so helps the channel out and it keeps you up to date with the new content that I share. In addition to that, turn on that notification bell to all so that way the minute a video gets uploaded, it gets straight to you. Number 2, this video is not sponsored. However, if you do choose to purchase any of the items using the links down below, it does help me out. To support with showcasing these items, I have on my favorite pair of jeans. These are the 511 Defender Flex Slim work jeans. The specific color that I have is the dark wash indigo, and I really like these pants because of all the pockets it has. They're slim type tactical jeans that don't scream tactical. They're also super comfy and hold everything I need. Number 1, my phone. The phone of my choice is the iPhone 13 mini. I decided to go with the 13 mini earlier this year, upgrading from a 11 Pro Max because I love how form-fitting the phone is to my hands. And for protection, on the back, I have Apple's forest green leather MagSafe case. To add to that, I have the black Apple MagSafe wallet with Find My. This is a very minimalistic wallet I use, which holds all the cards that I need. It holds up to 3 cards and has an awesome Find My feature in an event where it gets disconnected from my phone. I do want to disclose with you all though that it will only give the location of where the wallet was last detached from the actual phone itself. It does not have a continuous Find My feature like Apple's AirTags. Number 2 is my keys. I want to start off with showcasing this Lunar Rock AJT design key fob. I love this because it matches the color of mine and my wife's Lunar Rock RAV4. It allows for the emergency key to be attached via quick release, just like the factory key itself. I also have the tile tracker. This is the 2016 version, and the batteries can actually be switched out on this version itself. It's super easy to use, and the app itself paired with the tile tracker is phenomenal. This has been a lifesaver for me on so many different occasions. Next is the Orbit key organizer. The one that I have specifically is a green rubber color. This is real clean and compact, and it's a great organizer for your keys. It keeps my keys intact because I don't like the sound of keys just jangling on the side of my hip everywhere I go when I'm walking. To top it off with my key setup, I have the Zac Tool key clip. The Zac Tool key clip is advertised to be used by law enforcement and military. It has a quick release function made easy to grab my keys, and I typically carry my keys on the left strong side. It stays clipped to my belt or whatever bottoms I'm currently wearing that day. Before I go into the next one, if you like what you're seeing thus far, hit that like button or smash it or do what you have to. That way it helps out the channel and it tells me that you guys are liking the content that you're seeing. Number 3, pocket knife. The pocket knife that I have is the Benchmade Bug Out 535. It's an access lock pocket knife with a drop point blade, plain edge, and has a green handle coated finish. It has a blade length of 3.24 inches and it's super lightweight, coming in at an overall of 1.85 ounces. I use this daily to carry so that way I can open my packages, cut loose string, and I just love having it for emergencies because you never know when you'll have to cut some things. What I really like about Benchmade is that it has a limited lifetime warranty, and it also has an awesome Life Sharp service where you can send your knife in for sharpening anytime it gets dull. If you're looking for a pocket knife that does it all, this may be the one for you. Number 4, multi-tool. The multi-tool that I have and use regularly is the Leatherman Skeletool. This specific version is the topographical version, or what others call topo or topo. You let me know in the comments down below how to say that. But everything I need is in this daily multi-tool. It has a total of 7 tools, including a knife. This version is not the CX version, so my blade is partially serrated towards the bottom. It also has pliers, which aren't the best in my opinion, but gets the job done. And it also has wire cutters attached to the pliers. There's a bit driver, which Leatherman has a large variety of bits for, and they're interchangeable with their multi-tools. A carabiner / bottle opener is what you have here, where you can hang on to your things, backpacks, or the side of your hip. And it also has a little hidden extra bit storage. I love how this is super sleek and slim, and the design itself is just really nice and fits perfectly in your pocket. It weighs a total of about 5 ounces, so it's not super heavy and weighs down on your pockets. Number 5, a flashlight. Yes, the one that I have is the Phoenix LD30. This is a miniature lightweight flashlight. It has a maximum output lumens of 1600 and it weighs in at about 59 grams. It's powered by activating the tail switch on the light itself and has a front button which toggles through the different brightness. It has a large capacity battery which is rechargeable with using a micro USB charger. I carry this flashlight every day to light dark spaces, and it comes in super handy when I'm walking my dog at night. And lastly, I have a waist pack, or what others may call a fanny pack. Yes, this is the 511 Tacticals LV6 Waist Pack. This here is the black colored option. It's perfect for storing all the items I just went over. I personally carry this on my waist as a hip or fanny pack, or at times I'll carry it over my shoulder or my arm. And there you have it. Those are the 6 carry items that I have on me every single day and cannot leave my house without. Now, a disclaimer, these are 6 things that work for me, and it took months and months of trying different variations out, and I found that these 6 things I typically use every single day. There's plenty of ways to EDC. You just have to find ways for it to make sense for you. If you made it this far in the video, thank you so much and I appreciate you. Go ahead and smash that like button if you haven't done so already, and then comment down below on how you carry your items or what you carry specifically. In addition to that, I'd love to know any questions that you guys may have when it comes to EDC or different items that you feel you'd like me to review in the future. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. This is Miguelomesina with Mikey EDC. Peace out.
Are you listening? Damn.